In order to stream on Kick with our PlayStation 5, the first thing we need to do is we need to go to this website over here called golivestream.com. I'm going to be linking it in the description down below. I am not sponsored or anything like that, nor am I an affiliate. It's just that this service is really good and will easily allow us to stream on Kick. So you just want to go ahead and press on start streaming for free right over here. Then afterwards, it is going to bring you to a menu that looks like this, and you need to go ahead and log in with your Twitch account. So go ahead and do that. So even though we're logging into our Twitch account, we're going to use that in order to then stream over to Kick. So do not be worried. And then afterwards, it is going to go ahead and actually make you do a little bit of a tutorial as well. So obviously you can go ahead and adjust it to your liking. You could add scenes, you could add different scenes and stuff like that, and really just make this live stream your own. You can even include a face cam as well, which is a really great option. All right, but once we have this done, all you want to do is you want to go to the top right, select over here where it says settings, and then you want to select on add destination. And this is where we're going to be adding Kick. So Kick is going to be an option right here. So please go ahead and select on it, and you want to name the destination. So for simplicity purposes, we need to go ahead and call it Kick. And now we need to enter in the RTMP URL and the stream key. So I'm going to show you guys how to find that. So to find that, you just want to open up Kick and make sure to log into your Kick account. All right, so here I am in Kick. So go to the top right and then go ahead and select on creator dashboard. Then afterwards, go to the left menu and select on stream URL and key. And then you're able to go ahead and copy the stream URL. For stream URL, put it over here where it says RTPM URL, and then enter your stream key right here where it says stream key. Okay, then select on add destination, and you will now notice that Kick is going to be an option right here. All right, now while we're here in resolution, make sure that is set to 720p and 30 FPS. Now, unfortunately, in order for us to stream in 1080p or higher, we will need to go ahead and upgrade our plan. So this is the free version right over here. So you can go ahead and upgrade your plan if you want to remove this watermark, for example, or if you want to stream at a higher resolution. So keep that in mind. So anyways, guys, now let's go ahead and load into our PlayStation 5. All right, so now that we're here on our PlayStation 5, we need to adjust a few of our settings in order for this to work. So please go to the top menu, then select over here where it says settings, then select on network. Then what you want to do is you want to select on settings and then press on setup internet connection. From here, you want to go to the network that you're currently connected to, and you want to press on it. And then you want to select on advanced settings right here. So once you're here in advanced settings, go ahead and scroll down until you see DNS settings and change it from automatic to manual if you haven't already. You will then notice that we'll get two different sections over here, primary DNS and secondary DNS. And now let me show you guys how to know what numbers to actually put there. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to the second link in the description down below, and then it is going to give you a number that looks like this, and we need to enter this into the primary DNS. So our primary DNS in this example is 20.151.229 and then 201. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter this in my primary DNS on my PlayStation 5. Then afterwards, go ahead and press on done, then press on OK. And now it is going to change your Wi-Fi settings. All right, so once that's done, go ahead and load to the game or whatever software you're trying to stream over onto Kick. So for this video, I'm just going to keep it simple and stream Minecraft. Okay, so once you're here in Minecraft, go ahead and press on the broadcast button, which should be towards the top left. It's going to have like three little bars actually poking out of it. So you just want to go ahead and select on that. So over here, you want to go ahead and select on broadcast. And obviously, if you haven't already, please link your Twitch account over to PlayStation 5. If you haven't linked it, it's going to ask you to do so right over here. So please go ahead and do that. And it doesn't really take that long. But the point is, we're going to be streaming over to Twitch. And because we're using the software I showed you previously, it is going to stream on Twitch and on Kick at the same time. Basically, we're able to stream to Kick on our PlayStation 5, so go ahead and select the title and stuff like that, and you are able to adjust your stream settings as well. So check this out. We are now broadcasting. All right, guys, so here we are back over at golivestream.com. So we're here going ahead and playing Minecraft, and as you're able to tell, we are now live on both Twitch and on Kick as well. All right, guys, and if we go ahead and go to Kick, you will now notice that we are actually live on Kick from our PlayStation 5. So here it is, and then people can go ahead and chat with you and stuff like that. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.